All right, guys. We're on day 51, and you are looking at the budget project instructions. That's what this video is. I'm going to explain some of the basics of what you're going to be doing every day for the next 2 weeks, or so, about 2 weeks. So I've got here the budget instructions, and then the next thing you're going to do is fill out the budget choices. And so this is your first real assignment for this unit. So I'm going to go to that. I'm going to show you what this looks like. And I've already filled mine out, so I'm going to show you what that looks like in this window here. But this is a survey, and it's asking you some questions. And based on those questions, it's going to then tell you what your budget is. How much are you going to make per month? How much is your rent or your mortgage going to be? How much would your school loans be, or anything like that? So first you have to choose, well, what type of education are you going to get? Okay, and based on that, it's going to ask you whether you're going to buy or lease cars, and then at the very end, it's going to ask you, are you going to buy or rent a house? And so all these choices are very important. And it won't take you long to fill this out, but take your time and think about it, because you're stuck with those decisions for the next 2 weeks. Once you've done that, then you can go to the next page, and you'll see the results. Okay, and so I put me first, just so I could have an example here. But I have a check of $2,000, a mortgage of $1,100, car payment of $350, and an education loan of $50, based on my choices. Okay, so if I take these amounts, I'm going to either write them down, or I'm going to have to come back to this page, because I'm going to need these every day. So I'm going to probably write them down somewhere and have them, keep them with me. But if I need to, I can always come back to this page. All right, so I'm going to remember these numbers. Let's keep going. So that would have been it for today. You're watching day 51, the instructions on day 51. That would be the end of the day. Day 52, though, is where we actually start looking at our budget and where the real work starts. Every day we're going to have a month. So today, or well, day 52 now, is January. And then day 53 would be February, March, April, May, June. We'll take a quick break to do like a little short summary, and then we'll continue through December and then take a test on it. And so that's how this is going to work. So let's take a look at what January looks like. Okay, so this is the assignment page. And notice that there's notes, there's this form, and then there's a place to submit something. And so we need to talk about what's going on here. If you click on download your notes, it's going to give us this blank page. Okay, and I'm going to change this to January, because we're going to do this every day. So today is, we're going to look at January's. So January budget notes. Okay, and then I'll, of course, be able to find that later when I need to turn it in. Okay, I'm going to fill out my notes while I fill in the budget, and then make sure you submit your notes to me at the end. Okay, so here's my January budget. It says enter your rent or mortgage amount. Well, I wrote mine down. Mine was $1,100. Okay, so $1,100 is my mortgage amount. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to back over here, write down my paycheck. My paycheck was $2,000. And then I've got my mortgage amount. Now that's going to be leaving me. So see this little minus sign? I need to put minus $1,100. I'm losing that amount. And see, I've already only got $900 because I spent $1,100 on my rent. I only have $2,000. I'm down to $900 for this month. Okay. All right, so let's keep going. Oh man, my windshield wiper stopped working. Pay $13 to have them replaced. Oh man. Okay, so you have to make a choice. I can either put it on my credit card, or I can use my bank. And this time I'll go with my bank. I'll show you a credit card later. Okay, so let's go back over here. It's going to cost me $13. Now, in this case, I'm using my bank. So that surprise is going to be negative 13. Okay, I lost $13. All right. Now, if I keep going, it says it's Friday night. You have the option to eat with friends for $10. Do you? Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's eat with some friends. It says, how do you pay for Friday night? Oh, well, let's do a credit card this time. So I'm going to go back over here. Now, I've been doing bank account, but this time I'm not putting the bank account or the hang out with friends on a Friday night. I'm going to put it on my credit card. And so I'm going to, this time plus, add $10. I added $10 to my credit card. Okay. All right, so next, paying $10 to eat with my friends on Friday night. Enter my car payment amount, and that was $350. I'll go back over here. My car payment, there's only one place to put this. You can't put it over here. It's a car payment, negative $350. I've got $537 left for the month. Okay. Now let's keep going. Groceries. Do I want healthy, somewhat healthy, or not so healthy groceries? We'll go with somewhat healthy. So I have a choice here. Let's see, somewhat healthy. And am I going to pay for my groceries with credit card or bank account? So let's do credit card again. So I'm going to go to my credit card, and I'm going, oh, not my credit card payment, my groceries. I'm going to add $75 to my credit card. So now I have $85 on my credit card. Okay. How much do I choose to save for retirement this month? Good question. Let's go back and look. I got 537 left. I got quite a bit left to go. We'll say 50. I don't know. We're going to find out. So 50. So I'm going to add that. I spent $50 for my retirement. That's going to be in my bank account. Okay. Keep going. Loan payments for college. I believe that was 50. So I'm going to go back to my college loans and put minus 50. Okay. Still got some money. We're looking good. All right. And then, oh man, my grandmother forgot to send my Christmas card. You gained 50. Awesome. What do I do? Send a thank you note, call and thank her, hug her when I see her next Christmas. I think I will hug her when I see her next Christmas. That's how bad I am. All right. Then it says you can go to a concert with friends for $40. Oh, we forgot to put that $50 in there. Let's see. All right. There's no place to put it here. So that's a mistake on my part. But we will go ahead and just add it down here. We'll say plus 50. All right, sweet. Okay, my bad. And it says you can go to a concert with friends for $40. Do I go? Well, yeah, I love hanging out with friends. $40, go to a concert. Let's do it. What do I want to pay? Well, yeah, well, grandma paid for it. So I'll go ahead and put that in the bank. All right, so we'll go back. Concert, which was Friday night. It's going to be $40. Sweet. All right. Oh, got some more groceries. Let's go with ramen. Feeling good. Let's go with ramen. All right. So I'm going to spend $50. I'm going to go ahead and use my bank account. I'll put bank account. And do you choose to renew your membership for gym? Sure, why not? Next. I'm going to use my credit card. That was $20. Okay, so then I would press submit. I'm not going to press submit because I've already answered this. And I don't want to mess anything up. But I'm going to add $20 to my gym payment. Okay, so I'm just following the rules here, filling this out. So at the end of this month, I should have $347 plus $50. And then I have $105 on my credit card. And so what happens when you're finished? That's the real question. So you would submit your notes to me. So after you submit this, you'll need to submit your notes. There'll be a place to submit, and you'll send your notes to me so I can see them. And then you're able to look at the results. Okay. So based on your choices, it's going to tell you your results. Okay. So here's my results based on what I did earlier. So in my bank account, this is a different time. So the numbers are going to be a little bit different than what we had in our notes, but you can check your notes with this, right? In my bank account, I had 317 left. I had 85 on my credit card. And then you'll see here, it says social points, health points, credit score, retirement savings. Okay. So these are cool points that's going to help us actually keep track in the game of who's winning. And, top people in each class are going to get bonus points on this test at the end. And so social points come from hanging out with friends or spending time with family, doing things. And the more you do, the more points you get. And the more crazier things you do with friends, the more points you get. Now, remember, though, you'll be spending more money to do that. We also have health points. And health points are like eating healthier food, buying healthier food, or paying for that gym membership. Then we have a credit score. Now, credit scores go up and down based on you taking care of your credit card. Okay? If you don't pay your credit card, credit score is going to go down. If you do pay your credit card, then it goes up. But your credit card can't go up if you're not putting money on it in the first place. So sometimes every month you need to be putting money on it, and the next month you can pay it off. Okay. And then when we got retirement savings, and whoever has the most retirement savings would win this category. Of course, you don't want to spend so much you don't have any money in the bank. That's bad. Negative money will get you loss of points on the project. Your goal is to have positive money every month. Okay. So don't go negative trying to save up. Okay. And then just for reference, you'll see the 2,000, 1,100, 350, and 50. Those are my numbers. You'll see your numbers here. And then there's a whole bunch of math going on over here that you don't need to worry about. Okay. All right. And so that would be the end of January. So that would be the day 52's work. Day 53, you'll do February the same way. You'll fill out the sheet while creating the notes. Send your notes to me. Look at the results and check your points to see how you're comparing with everybody in your class. All right. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you feel like you need more information, I can record more videos or walk you through it. Just let me know. All right, guys. I'll see you.